Hey, Mom, Dad, you guys up there?
And just like the guy whose feet are
Guys?
too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit.
You guys in there?
Raindrops are falling on my head.
Oh my God! Oh! Stop.
Day 3. Another night passes by without sleep. I just haven't been myself since it happened.
Hey William, you need a ride to school today? I'm gonna get you some help today.
The morning dragged by, like my life has for the past few days, at least until now.
So that's when I realized I don't have an iPod.
Hey, what's up with William?
I don't know.
He didn't say anything in government.
In your outsheet?
Well, I'm a nice person, so I'm gonna go talk to him.
You want a breath mint first?
That's a funny time.
I know.
That was a good one. Hey, what are you having for lunch?
A light salad.
Well, I heard something happened. I was wondering if you wanted
No.
to talk. I just,
No,
but
just leave me alone. No, I've got to go to the bathroom. I didn't want to open up. No one can understand what I've gone through.
Hey, what's in there?
Psychology project. Trust me, you don't want to know.
Okay. Hey, aren't you...
Yes, I am.
Calm down.
Hey, wait, what's up? My God, that hurt. I closed my eyes so he couldn't see the tears. Why? Why would he do that?
Can you take it from here? I'd rather not watch.
Oh, don't you worry. Little old William, you safe and sound here with me.
Aaron, don't leave. Oh my God.
There are only 3 people in the world that could do something like this. And since Jeffrey Dahmer and Walt Disney are dead, that only leaves one person. Hey, aren't you...
Yes, I am the runner.
So, it is true. He really does exist. Of course I'd heard the legends, but I never really believed in him. Until now.
One time, I went to the Ron's house to watch a movie. I don't even remember the movie.
I heard he's the reincarnation of Hugh Hefner. Hugh Hefner's not dead. I heard he stole the soul of Hugh Hefner.
I would have been honored to have been in such a man's presence, but I was tied to a chair.
So I hear you caught your parents out.
Playing Scrabble.
Fair enough. And who would you say was winning this Scrabble game?
I don't know. I think my mom was, but my dad was giving it the old college try.
Oh yes, that's how it is with a married couple. So now tell me, little Willie, when you caught your parents playing Scrabble, did you happen to notice them doing anything that resembled this? Okay, I guess not. Let's try this one.
I've been looking at these pictures for what feels like 2 hours. The images will forever be scorched upon my retinas. Please, God, make it end.
Now I'm gonna tell you something about what we like to call a little triple word score.
Oh my God! What are you doing? That's like 10 times worse than anything I could have imagined my parents doing.
So what you're trying to tell me is that your parents playing Scrabble ain't all that bad compared to what I've been telling you.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Well, little Willie, I think you're cured. You may go.
Now that I was cured, the Ron said the only thing I had left to do was tell my parents. Dad, I'm better. You guys, I'm better. It's cool now. I'm all good.
With your feet on the air, your head on the ground. Try this trick and spin it. Yeah. Your head will collapse if there's nothing in it, and you'll ask yourself, where is my mind? Where is my mind? Where is my mind? Way out in the water, see it swimming.
Hey, that's something everyone can enjoy.